reaching high, eyes like stars in the sky, dreams so big they touch the moon, hearts that sing a simple tune. Jesus loves the little ones, every face beneath the sun, every laugh, every tear, every hope, every fear. Jesus loves the little ones. From the mountains to the shore, every heart he will restore. No one lost, no one small, his arms are wide, they hold us all. Red and yellow, black and white, every child a shining light, dancing in his endless grace.